Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the center console in a 2007 Mini Cooper S. If there's any parts you need for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So I'm going to shift this into reverse so that I can grab under here with my fingers, pull up a little bit, and grab my trim tool, go in here, try to pop this out. There we go. Pop this part out. Now I can pull it out of reverse. Now I'm going to use two hands and pull up. With a lot of effort, and the whole thing will come up. I'm going to take these two Torx screws out in the front. They're in the cup holder. I'm going to use a T25 driver. Now I'll take that one out. In the back, there's another Torx screw. I'll use the same T25 driver. Remove that screw. Now we'll grab this rear cup holder, pull that straight up. Alright, I'm gonna use my trim tool. Just gonna go along this parking brake shifter, parking brake handle. I'm just gonna push in the back, pop this out of the way. And I'm gonna grab the back of this center console and just pull up, just like that. Clips in. We can maneuver this out of the way. So I'll slide this down here. Pull up on the handle. We'll disconnect this connector right here. Just take a screwdriver, push down on the lock there, and then when that's released, go to the other side, push down on this lock, and pull that connector out. And then we'll disconnect this connector right there, pull that out, and pull the center console out. All right, we're gonna connect these down here. It's a 12-volt socket. It's gonna go right there. Connect to that. And then this one is gonna connect to the other switches right there. Slide the shifter. You might have to maneuver this shifter around to get it to work. And with the parking brake up, you can slide this boot through the middle. Oops, make sure the seatbelt buckle, you get that on the outside. Slide that through like that. Same with this seatbelt buckle. Get that in position. And there'll be some push retainers right here. Lock them in place. Take this cup holder, reinstall that in the back. That'll line up with the hole in there, and take the torque screw, get that started. I'll use my T25 Torx driver to tighten it down. Just snug it up. These two front ones, take the same Torx screws. Get that one started, and then I'll get this one started. Snug that one down, and then snug this one down. Now we're going to reposition this boot. There's this little tab right here. I'm going to slide that in forward first. And that's in there. Then I'm just going to press it down in the back. Lock it in on the side, lock it in on that side. I'll take the shifter knob and the boot, slide the boot over. Make sure you have the shifter numbers in the right direction. And I will use some force and push this down. Make sure it locks in place. Then we'll lock this trim down. Just line it up. And lock it down in place. Yep, it's on there good.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.